In this video, you'll learn how to hide your balance in the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will enhance your privacy while using the wallet. Begin by navigating to the wallet home screen. This is the primary interface where you can view your tokens and account information. Next, focus on the right side of the tokens section. Here you'll find a list of your assets displayed showcasing their current balances. After that, locate the three dots, often represented as FDHA. This icon is typically situated at the top right corner of the tokens section. Once you click on the three dots, a menu should appear. This menu will provide various options related to your tokens. Look for the option labeled Hide Balances. If this option is available, you can proceed to toggle it on. This action will conceal your balance from view. It's important to note that if the Hide Balances option does not appear, it may indicate that this feature is not supported or available for your current setup. In that case, check for any updates to the wallet or consult the help section for further assistance. After activating the Hide Balances feature, confirm that your balances are no longer visible on the home screen. This confirmation ensures that your privacy settings are correctly applied. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.